I'm here with you to share a very interesting use case scenario that will help you a lot in your email marketing campaigns. Have you ever wondered which links your marketing emails are getting the most clicks? In this video, I will show you where you can find the top click links in your HubSpot marketing email and create a professional report to share with your team. So having said that all, maybe I sent certain newsletter email with a lot of CTAs in that. In a newsletter email, you may have sent out certain CTAs. CTAs are like the call of action. You want them to sign up for a newsletter or maybe sign up for your webinar, and you have uh, sent a lot of those CTAs in one particular email. And how will now you see that which of your CTA performed the best in that particular marketing email? So for one marketing email, like in my case, if I go to marketing email, click some certain email, and under this performance tab, here in the middle of the page on the right side, I can see the top click links. Here it's like a table, it's like a mini report where you can see like the link here and the number of clicks it's getting. So in my particular email, the first one is getting the 53 clicks, second one is followed by 36. So of course, this one is like the topmost CTA. And next time, maybe in my email campaigns, I would like to target this particular CTA. Or if I have to use this particular CTA in the, I have to choose like which CTA is performing the best. Of course, I'll pick this one in for a second email campaign maybe. So having said this, now if I am setting the newsletters like on a monthly cadence or like on a yearly basis, and on that yearly basis, I want to see that which of my newsletter emails got the most link clicks. Of course, I like to build a consolidated report around that. To save the time, I have already built a report with I've named it like the top engaged links in all the newsletter marketing emails. This will capture all my newsletter marketing emails. I wanted to see from the inception, so you can set a time limit here. I have like used the maximum time limit that HubSpot allows. I have applied a filter here that my newsletter should contain the name of newsletter. My marketing email should contain the name of newsletter. Having said that, now I have to decide that how my report should look like. Of course, I wanted to have a tabular view, so I use the table format. Next step would be to set the columns. So I set the column names. The first column that I wanted to see was, of course, the email name. I wanted to see that which of my email performed the best. Secondly, natural thing would be to see the URL attached in that particular email that performed the best, and of course the email link clicks. So now what this report is doing, that for each of newsletter emails, it will pick up the top click link and it will give you the number of clicks it received. And here it is. Okay, so now my report looks like my email name, the canonical URL, and the email link clicks. Around the URL, you are getting certain options with the URL, raw URL, original URL, and the canonical URL. But I use the canonical URL. The reason being that the marketing email individual report was showing me canonical URL right here. Coming back to the report now, the email that I was showing you earlier was this particular email. And you see that it's showing you the URL that got the most link. But the number of clicks here are 72, while the performance tab right here was showing 53 clicks. Now, why is that discrepancy? The reason is that the HubSpot report currently does not capture the unique email link clicks. For example, if a contact clicks a URL for like 5 to 6 times, it will capture all the 5 to 6 instances, while the individual marketing email does not do that. It captures the unique link clicks. So this is the discrepancy that our marketing email performance tab is showing and our report is showing. Currently, HubSpot reporting feature does not support any unique email click links. So this is something you are going to face if you are trying to have a consolidated view. But it can give you like a rough idea that which of your marketing emails was performing the best and which of your CTAs was performing the best. But you cannot, of course, rely on the number of email link clicks here if you are looking for something like unique email link clicks. So now you have identified the top click links in your HubSpot emails, and once you have this, you can use these insights to improve your future campaigns. You can like add those CTAs that are performing the best in your marketing emails. You can work with their placement. You can work with their button design. You can even perform the A/B testing mechanism to optimize your marketing emails. So that's it from my side today. Next time, I'll bring you more interesting use case scenarios and help you to explore your HubSpot journey in a better way. Thank you all. If you have any questions, any comments around this, you can leave those in the comment section. Thank you.